tasty and sweet, a healthy snack we love to eat. O is for oval, shaped just so, not a circle, but close, you know. O is for octopus, arms all around, wiggling gently without a sound. O is for oven, warm and hot, bakes the cookies in a cozy spot. O is for objects, round or bright, let's find the O's left and right. Big or small, let's sing and play, say O out loud, hooray, hooray, hooray. O is for oil in a shiny tin, used in cooking to begin. O is for onion, round and white, it makes us blink, oh what a sight. O is for orchestra, playing tunes, music rising like balloons. O is for owl, awake at night, flying under the moonlight. O is for objects, round or bright, we found the O's with pure delight. Now we know the O sound true. O is fun for me and you.
N is a letter, let's all cheer. We'll find N things far and near. Say N and N so happily, come explore and sing with me. N is for nest, up in a tree, home for birds like you and me. N is for net, we catch and play on a sunny, sporty day. N is for needle, sharp and small, it helps to sew clothes big and tall. N is for notebook, full of lines, to draw and scribble curly signs. N is for things we love to see, from a nest to a notebook, come with me. Say N and N, shout it loud, learning N makes us so proud. N is for napkin, clean and neat, wipe your hands before you eat. N is for necklace, shiny and bright, worn with joy in morning light. N is for nail, small and tough, holding wood when things get rough. N is for newspaper, black and white, full of stories day and night. N is for objects, one by one, learning N is so much fun. Now we know them, yes we do. N is special, just like you. E is exciting, come and see, lots of E things just for me. Look around, what's on the ground? E is where fun things are found. E is for egg, round and white, crack it gently, hold it tight. E is for envelope, open wide, letters and notes tucked inside. E is for eraser, pink and neat, fixing pencil lines so sweet. E is for engine, strong and loud, pulling trains through misty cloud. E is exciting, come and see, lots of E things just for me. Look around, what's on the ground? E is where fun things are found. Earphones, music play, songs and stories every day. E is for easel, paint so free, making pictures just like me. E is for earth, globe big and round, spin it fast, it makes a sound. E is for eye mask, soft at night, helping sleep till morning light. E is exciting, come and see, lots of E things just for me. Now we know the letter E, learning letters happily. Let's add numbers one by one. Adding can be so much fun. Count with me, let's start today. We'll add and laugh and shout, hooray! 1 plus 1 is 2, hooray! Let's clap our hands and jump and play. 1 plus 2 is 3 today. 3 big smiles are on the way. 1 plus 3 is 4, let's cheer. Tap your toes and lend an ear. 1 plus 4 is 5, so bright. Let's high five and feel just right. 1 plus 5 is 6, hooray! Let's buzz like bees and swing and sway. 1 plus 6 is 7, so cool. Slide and spin, that's our rule. Let's add numbers one by one. Adding can be so much fun. Count with me, let's start today. We'll add and laugh and shout, hooray! 1 7 is 8, that's great. March around and celebrate. 1 plus 8 is 9, oh yes, let's dance around and clean the mess.